Hello, I'm Kobe Coleman, and I'm the instructor for the Cloud Native 230 level course, Kubernetes Native Application Development. I have over 20 years of experience in IT and as an instructor with a focus on Linux, open source, and cloud native technologies, as well as orchestration and automation. Here's what you can expect from this course. In Kubernetes Native Application Development, you'll spend the bulk of your time engaged in lab activities on real cloud servers, not just simulations. This practical experience is supplemented by lessons that will help you master the skills needed to build container-native applications and continuous integration chains powered by Kubernetes. This intermediate course is a great next step in your cloud-native journey. Kubernetes application development covers everything that you need to know in order to build containerized applications targeted for enterprise-grade production environments. You'll learn about the container lifecycle, how to containerize applications, and about container health and monitoring. After mastering these techniques, we'll turn our attention to DevOps and building container-native continuous integration pipelines powered by Jenkins and Kubernetes, with an introduction to containerized continuous integration, CI agent deployment, building images and testing in CI, and releasing containerized applications. This course is targeted at developers, application architects, and DevOps staff who want to develop container-native applications and implement fully containerized CI. Sign up today and continue your journey in cloud-native technology with Kubernetes Native Application Development. I look forward to seeing you in class.